Aaron here from Bean Sprout. I have another banjo to show you today. Over the last 3 years, it seems like it's been a long run of cherry and Texas Ebony 12-inch banjos. But they just look and sound nice, and I can't complain. For this one, yeah, it's got a cherry block rim, brass tone ring with a little Texas Ebony cap right there, cherry neck, and then Texas Ebony up front again. In this particular piece, I found this fretboard with sapwood in it, so I went chasing sapwood on the rest of the instrument. It's a cool piece with slivers of it there, and then a little bit back here too. It's just a fun little, fun for me to make them rhyme like that. Yeah, so 12-inch rim, synthetic head, brass tone ring, non-steel strings, and it's a great sound and feel. It really is like an instrument that feels deep to me. Like when I listen to the notes, the notes have a lot of depth to explore downwards, which I appreciate. It just feels nice. Yeah, it's a good one. So, number 821. Cheers.